beauties, welcome back to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauties Crowns. So in today's video I'm going to make a t-shirt haul, actually which t-shirts which I recently bought from Bewakoof.com. The best thing is that beauties, they are like super affordable. They all are under rupees 250. They are super comfortable and very stylish. So beauties, let's get started. So the first one is this. Color is amazing, best for summer, white. Stuff is again too good, very soft, pure cotton and very comfortable. So this one is the first one which I bought. This one is for rupees 249. Then the second one is from Friends. I love Friends actually. Again, stuff is pure cotton and amazing for daily wear. Now the third one is Wrap God. I just love this one. Again, but this one I bought from men's section, yes, because I just love that loose boyfriend t-shirt kind of thing. So I ordered this one in the size small. Yes, this is in the size small. This one is again small, and this white one is from. So beauties, if you are ordering from a men's section, then just go with the size small because they are already a little bit loose. So I ordered medium. This one is medium. Again small, and this one is small. The next one, this one is for rupees 350, I guess. Yes, this one is for rupees 350, and this looks super cool. This has that turtleneck and then this little bit crop. I'm going to show you. You will gonna get idea once I'm going to wear it on myself. These are the 4 tees. They are super good and affordable that they convinced me to make this video, and I want to show you that these are really good. So let me show you. This is my first purchase from Bewakoof.com and I'm super happy that I bought these. They are too good. And one more thing, that I bought these from Clear Zone, actually discount zone I must say, or end of season zone, whatever you call it. So I bought it from there, so that's why I got the good discount, that 100 rupees or 200 rupees off. So I'm going to share the link of all these in my description box, so you can go check it out, select your size and go and buy it, because these are really amazing, and for summers they are very good because I just love the stuff. They are pure cotton. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries regarding this, just comment it in the comment section, or if you want me to make more haul videos or dress haul, t-shirt haul, jeans haul or any more, so just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna make it for you guys. See you in my next video. Hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, iVeronica03. See you there. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.